Morning guys, Saturday night out again. Top of the Rhondda Valleys tonight. Really high up, yeah. Got my mate Andrew, his first wild camp with Andrew. Hell of a walk in behind mine. I'll bring you back, show some of the way. Camera guys, but quite breezy up here. Found a spot to camp anyway. Some cold dips there guys. Nice all cracking views down behind us. Let's flip you around so we can go in. Good bit dip there. I think we'll get the kit down with there. Find something for there. A couple of bags of logs. No trees or nothing up here, so got something for cooking. Back when it gets kicked off and start setting up. That guy's all set up. I'll show you the tent again. OEX Raccoon. Same story inside, you know the score. OEX EV300 sleeping bag, Unigear mat, inflatable pillow. I got my pack for there. Brought some firewood with us as well. Trouble is, I don't know if there's anywhere to light a fire really. Quite grassy in there. I found this down behind mine. A culvert by there. Could drop something in there I suppose. Seats either side. Who's up here though, man's? I'll flip you around and show you something now. The distance we go Ferndale. Come across the mountain there and it's Penrhys up there. Sitting right on top. Watstown just in front of us. Old sliding tip up there. A view of Aberfan. That's similar sort of thing happened up there, but obviously on a bigger scale. That Porth down there in the distance with the Porth Bridge, and just on the mountain up above that's Trebarnog. You guys can see up here company tonight. You know what they say about Welshmen and sheep? Run away they do. There's something interesting here guys. I don't know about a lot about the tips in Wales, but a lot of them are slid. Where we are now, this is Cold Tip. I'll show you something here now. You can see these markers. There's one. There's another one a bit further down. Down there as well is another sort of looks a bit more to that one. On the left as well is a triangle marker. Across the valley there, you can see that one slid. I think these markers are watching the tip just in case they slide. Hope it doesn't go tonight. That's a closer look at one of these monitoring stations. Solar power, I think. Just come down for the walkabout. See all these monitoring stations about and what they look like. I'll climb back up there now. Not looking forward to that. Found it's like a concrete drainage chute or I don't know, gully I suppose. All the water comes out of if it rains, or I don't know if it's under the tip or whatever. I'll flip you around. Pretty constant stream there, isn't it? Scary, isn't it, under the Cold Tip? Yeah, bit of a mistake I think coming down here. Started whiskey, see, I haven't done my review yet, that's coming as well. I'll show you when I'm going up now. And that's it. Camped right up the top up there. It's gonna kill now. Right guys, you know what time it is? Time for the tipple. That's tonight's drink of choice. It's a Glenmorangie. If you remember the 2 videos back I had this. It weren't exactly this one, but the same brand. There's a cognac cask. This one is just a classic. The other one was very moorish. I was smashed. But I've had a little taste already. It was a full bottle. Pop. Let's give it a go on. Put the lid on. Right, get in for the nose. Really fruity. A bit of sweetness. Nice and smooth. Yeah, a bit of citrus or lemon or something, I think. A bit of sweetness as well. Maybe vanilla or something like that. Very nice. So, I don't want to go much further than about the 8 tonight, mind. You guys will have to watch me. It's starting to look a bit grey, to be honest. I think it's going to rain soon. So I'm going to get a nice sunset up here. It's lush up here, like, but this year it's all gone grey. Sort of backfired really. It's not going to plan. And if it does rain, I'll jump in a nest behind me. Andrew's got his nest inside as well. We'll have to talk to each other from the tents. Aye, but fingers crossed when we come to that. I'll bring you guys back in a bit and I'll show you the sun going down, hopefully. Hopefully it's not there from a tent to rain. Anyway, I've had a laugh, guys. I'm sitting behind a whiskey. He's sneaked off at a PM in there now. Chair, like. He's sitting here talking, all of a sudden he's 6 inches short. I just, whoop, down. Brilliant. Anyway, I think it's going to get worse for the nights out. He's refusing to sit on the floor, mind. But yeah, you can light the fire soon. I showed you there's a bit of a culvert down there, like concrete either side. So light the fire down there, be on the side there, so it'll be so bad. Brilliant though. Wish I caught it on camera. Whiskey's good now, nice. Ruined it now, as the purists would say. Put some coke in there, but can't drink it straight all night. This yeah, a bottle will be gone like an hour. You'd be wasted, but it is what it is. Bring you guys back when the fire's lit now. What's happening, guys? Still going. The fire lit down here. Ruining the whiskey beer with the coke. Tripod just descended then, about 6 foot tall. I flick you around, show you the fire. Alright guys, here's the fire, all lit and ready. Got some wood by there. Good bed of ashes behind now, and yeah, get some steaks on. Got some news on Andrew's chair after as well. I'll show you some pictures.
It's gone.
Yeah, it's gone. Fucking brilliant. Bring you back in 5. Whiskey's flowing nice, guys. Whiskey. Yeah, super night. Got a fire going on here. See on my shoulder by there. Clear night, bit of rain earlier. Just it wasn't even rain, it's like being in the clouds only. Just a bit of mist in the air, like. Awesome view behind me. I'll show you this in a minute. Cook some steaks in a bit. Halfway through a bottle of whiskey, I think now. I had one of Andrew's as well with it. Don't you can see him in distance. Nice up here though. I'll flick you around a second, guys, show you the view. like World War One, yeah. You're sitting there having a beer, and all of a sudden, fucking kaboom! Everything went tits up. Fire disappeared. Jesus Christ. It's like a war zone, yeah. Melted my coat, melted my trousers.
Melted my hair.
Melted Andrew's hair. Jesus, oh serious, what a bang. What a bang.
In fair play.
Sorry guys, cut the sound, far too much swearing going at this point. The damage, the leg come off the grill, the food went everywhere. The whole fire just disappeared. Bits of burning wood everywhere. Managed to pick them all back up. Burnt my jacket, burnt my trousers, burnt my hand, burnt my lip. Super lucky, it was just, little injuries. Nothing in the area was set alight. We managed to control it all. But what a surprise. Just assumed there was moisture in the concrete and superheated with the fire and went pop. But yeah, they sort of threw the video out after this. It's quite a short video due to this accident. Sorry guys. Well, what a bloody half hour. We've seen the fire going. Whiskey time. Good bit gone. Yeah, we're just sitting here chilling out and all of a sudden, bloody kaboom. Just like a fucking firework night, wasn't it?
It went everywhere.
Yeah.
You can't explain it.
Yeah, it was just like a scene of Pearl Harbor or bloody Saving Private Ryan or something. Just Jesus Christ, fire everywhere. Just whoo. I can't show you now, but I've melted my trousers. Can you see that? My jacket. Yeah, it was just nuts, like. So I don't know. How would you top that, like?
It's a new one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a new one on me. Should have seen it coming, really. Yeah, it's on concrete now, and well, lesson learned, didn't it? Last week's fireworks, now it's exploding floors. But aye. A couple more of these now. Getting it now, mind. Really am, like. And Andrew, as you getting in, and?
Damn right.
Damn right. It is.
Edit that one.
That was a fucking big chunk of charcoal. I'll dribble it everywhere. When you drink and you feel it, like you fucking hit your mouth.
That's why it's
all about
that
like
first one, it was so lumpy in it, like. It was probably a bit off of fire.
I'm black on my teeth in it now. Then guys, what a night. You've had exploding floor tiles, or floor anyway, concrete floor. Loads of whiskey gone. It's over there, show you later. Andrew's been on a whiskey as well. It was a superb night, haven't it? Enjoyed yourself?
Yeah, fucking right.
Awesome. Down the arch gone. I'll have to find that in a minute. Anyway, drunk now, off to bed. See you tomorrow. Night. Morning, how's it going? A bit rough this morning, not terrible like, but yeah, good night though. Weather's improved vastly this morning. Flick you around and show you. Like summer's day again now. The kettle on boil over there. See it? Over there. There's the nest from last night. Andrew's by there. Oh, we didn't talk about this too much last night, but yeah, the chair died. We had about 3 times he sat there, all of a sudden the arm come off. He dropped. We was just talking away, and then another 4 inches lower, the bloody another part broke. In the end, it's just unsolved. Yeah, it's gone. Like, we'll take it out. No, we'll leave no rubbish in that. Like, yeah, cracking night though. Drunk loads of whiskey, had a good laugh. Exploding floor. That was a bit of fun as well. Like, didn't see that come in. Yeah. Anyway, a cup of tea and I'll bring you guys back. Actually. Kettle's on a boil. Not much left in here, fair play. I think Andrew's just gone, innit?
I tipped it out like.
Yeah. 2 glasses left maybe. That's the offending article. Really hell of a bang that was. Like made a proper crate and everything. Way to wake up. Can't beat this. Finish this cup up here now and start packing out of way again. Starting to feel better now. That's it, guys. All packed away is all in my bag. Packed a bit of crap, listen to this. Some plates, that is. I'll flip you around, show you the spot. Yeah, that's where the tents was on flat grass. Couple of crisps there, the birds will see to them, mind. Yeah, it was over there last night having a drink. That's where the fire was. No mess anywhere. Hill to climb up there and back to the car. I'm sure we're going to park now and bring you back in a bit. Well, here we have it, guys. Overnight on the Welsh mountain top, done. Car's behind my shoulder over there. It's about, I don't know, 15 minutes that way to walk. Nice up here, I was still mountain top. And you've been able to drive up here as well. So yeah, enjoyed the video, guys. Like and subscribe. I'll catch you next week. Thank you for watching.